Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naseen. I'm a mom to 4 beautiful kids, a fluffy floofy husky, and 2 kitty kitties. Please like this video if this is something that you like. It really helps my channel grow and helps me get put into the YouTube recommended videos section, which we all love. Today for lunch, I have a ham and provolone cheese roll up wrap, I guess you can say, on this tomorrow wrap. That's 3 net carbs. They're pretty good. They're even better like heated up in a skillet or in the microwave, but they're really good just like that too. And then this is the Faye Greek 0% fat yogurt, so I can get my protein in. This size is 2 servings per container, and I've already taken out 1 cup, so there's only 1 cup left. So I just brought the whole thing, and then I just squirt in some Mio drink enhancers into it, and it makes it taste like blueberry lemonade yogurt, and that's really good. And then I have my caramel premier protein with 30 grams of protein to help me get in my proteins. I've decided I'm trying to do my proteins earlier in the day instead of trying to scramble to get them all in. So that's all I got for you. I need to go spit out this gum. I would need to pee like so badly, and then I'm going to eat. So then I will probably see you guys after work, unless something else comes up in the meanwhile. Hey guys, on my way home from work. I'm barely feeling all that great, like mentally and emotionally today. I was, but I'm not now. Kind of just like got slapped with reality in the face real hard, and it just sucks, you know. Just want to be back on track. That's all. I'll see ya if I eat dinner. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Had to say that for somebody. Welcome to the vlog. I haven't said it in a while. Somebody missed it. So, I ate a lot of protein for lunch, so I don't need to get that much protein in now for dinner. I'm not super starving, so I'm gonna have near perfect macros today. I'm frying up 3 pieces of bacon. I'm gonna make them nice and crispy. I'm gonna cut them up, and I'm gonna make an omelet with 4 eggs. I had room for 4 eggs, a little bit of cheese, some seasoning, some bacon, and then I think 3 ounces of that roast that I had yesterday. I was going to finish off the stuff that I have for salad today, but I'm out. All I have left is like the buffalo ranch, and I'm not in the mood for buffalo. I really want to make what Fes's mom recommended with the steakums, so I'm saving that for a video. I'll probably try to make that when I go get the kids. I'm not gonna, I can only stay like 1 day, so it kind of sucks, but I don't have anybody watch Link, so, but maybe I can make that for my mom or something. I'm not sure. Don't really know. I love you guys. Just know. You guys have no idea. You know, I can be having the worst day, and one of you will message me or leave me a comment or email me or just do something to just really perk me up. I cannot wait till my kids come home, you guys. I am so tired. Look at me. I've not been getting like hardly any sleep. Bags under my eyes, like bigger than usual bags. Oh my God, I'm so tired. And I'm tired of just being like lazy. I mean, I've been walking Link and everything. He didn't hear that. But I just feel still lazy. I don't know why. I just do. I feel like a disappointment. I hate that. I hate feeling like this. I feel like I'm disappointing people. Ugh. I'll be back. I'll show you guys what this looks like when I'm all done. I'm getting splattered with bacon grease. Went to put my hot bacon grease in with the bacon grease. And apparently the jar was too cold because my mason jar just snapped in half and got grease all over my counter. Ah! First time in my entire life, a double yolk. Do I count that as 1 or 2 eggs? Here it is. I never said my omelet had to be pretty. It just had to be tasty, okay? So it's got roast, bacon, cheese, and 4 eggs, but one of them was a double egg, so I don't know what to call that. I mean, they were small yolks, so I'm just going to count it as 4 eggs. Yep. And then I got some Soleil water. That's dinner. I wrote down all of my bills in my thing here. So I know all of my bills, and I'm able to look at them, visually see them. I'm a visual learner, and that way I can easily look through and be like, this is due. Close out the vlog. I'm just gonna get my stuff ready for tomorrow because I'm gonna leave super early. Yeah, I see a link. And I just finished eating. Perfect macros. I'll include them. I'm sitting here talking to you with like something on my face. Anyways, I will include them. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Okay.